and welcome to week 3 of the Absolute Beginner Salsa syllabus at the Salsa with Sylvia Dance Studio. So this week, usually in class, what we do is we always review everything that we've learned so far. But today we're going to focus on the main material that we teach in week 3, and that's cross-body lead. Then at the end, we're going to practice everything that we've learned so far. All right, so cross-body lead looks like this, and the goal of cross-body lead is to just switch places. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, so we're going to break it down. We're going to show the footwork for the lead and the footwork for the follower. So what's very important for the lead is that when you do your first steps, on the count of 3, you're going to open the door and make room for the follower to go forward. So it goes like this: 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, open the door, and then 5, 6, 7. So on 5, 6, 7, you basically return to where you started from, but on the opposite direction. Does that make sense? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So let's show it facing away from the camera, just so they can see the feet. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, open the door, and 5, 6, 7. It's going to make a little more sense when we do it together. So for the follower, basically, it's very simple for us. We basically walk across. There's nothing too complicated about that. So we go forward, 2, we walk forward, 5, pivot on the left, 6, and 7 together. Here we go again. And 1, 2, step forward, 5, 6, 7. So if you want to see it this way, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 for the follower. All right, so let's do it together. Again, the final goal is to switch places. So he will end up where I am. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Make room for the follower to walk forward and lead with both hands. 5, 6, 7. So let's talk about leading and following the crossbody lead. So from here, when you go into your, the first 3 counts is basically a basic step for the follower. So we go 1, 2, the only difference is that you step forward on your right. And from here, with both hands, leaders, you're gonna take your partner across on the other side. 5, 6, 7. So that's very important, and there are different variations of crossbody lead that we're going to explore further on in the next levels. But this is the easier way to really have a good grip of your partner and show her where she needs to go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and again 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. So what's difficult for the lead here is that you're leading and at the same time you're doing your footwork. So that's very difficult and it takes some practice, but it's essential when you do partner dancing because you need to tell your follower where to go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so let's look at that with music.
Yes.
All right, we're going to practice with music, and this time while we're practicing, Mario is going to lead me into right turn, cumbia, everything that we've learned so far in the Absolute Beginner syllabus. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Thanks everyone for watching. This was week 3 of our Absolute Beginner Salsa series. We hope to see you in the studio or just keep practicing at home. More information at www.salsawithsylvia.com. This is Mario and I'm Sylvia. We'll see you next time.